Hey guys, it's Arena. I hope you're all doing well. I am back with another haul video, and today I am doing a Korean haul video, and I literally have so many cute things to share with you guys. Literally this whole bag is filled with like the cutest things I could find in Korea, and even this bag is so cute. I brought it at the art box, like the Myeongdong art box shop. I think I'm just gonna start off with like all the cute things that I did get from art box, and the first thing that I got that I'm absolutely in love with is this gorgeous book. It's like such a pretty sky book, and it's actually a photo album, and I've wanted a gorgeous photo album for the longest time, and I just like that this one's like the cover, it just looks like a book and then you can stick photos in it. But like if you just had this on your shelf and this is the spine, it just looks so pretty, and it doesn't look like a photo album. I don't even know what it says because it's in Korean, but it just looks so pretty and dreamy and summery, so I had to pick this one up. It's literally so gorgeous. It says collection of your beautiful moments at the bottom. How beautiful. I literally love. I was carrying so many books with me this trip, but you know what, it's fine. I also picked up this really cute habits tracker just because I thought it was just like absolutely adorable. It just sits at your desk and it has like a little cute terminal that says my habit tracker, slow and steady your dreams will come true. How absolutely adorable. And this is kind of like the layout. You write the date of like when you're starting or whatever, and then the goal, and then it has like a little turtle, and you like cross off each day that you do your habit. I think, yeah, it actually comes with stickers, so you put the sticker on top of the turtle when you complete that day, and it's just like the cutest little like habit tracker thing that I could find, so I picked this one up as well. I also got this like really cute keyring. It's just like a little bunny and then a little like teddy bear or dog, I'm not too sure. I kind of got this for like me and my future boyfriend maybe, because I just thought it was like really cute and it looks kind of coupley. I also actually got another couple keyring, and this one came with like a little turtle. Like it kind of looked like this turtle. It was like a cute little melon pan turtle, and I gave it to my best friend because she really likes turtles and she thought it was cute, and I didn't have anyone to give this one to, so I just gave one to her. And it's so cute. It's like a little puppy with a like 4-leaf clover bag, so we have cute matching keyrings. That's like pretty much everything that I picked up from Artbox, as well as the bag. I also bought like a lot of really cute things from Daiso. I literally love, I have an unhealthy obsession with Daiso in Korea and Japan, so I bought like a whole bunch of cute things. I bought this adorable My Melody keyring. I just could not pass her up. She has little angel wings. How freaking cute. And then her blush is little heart cheeks. So cute. And also it was like cherry blossom season in Korea. It's like spring at the moment, so they had like a whole collection of like this cherry blossom kind of like character stuff, and it was just so cute. I wanted to buy everything, but I would not be able to carry that back with me, so I had to be kind of selective, and I picked up this cute little like photo thing. I think you're supposed to like put pictures in here. It was like 3 cute little fairy characters, and there was 3 of us traveling this time to Korea, so I just thought it was like the cutest thing, so I brought this. They're like little blossom fairies, and I just thought it was like the cutest thing. Like honestly, I don't even know. And I also brought a little calendar, like a little desk calendar, because I've wanted a desk calendar for ages, and it's literally like April now, so like almost halfway through the year, and I finally have a cute little desk calendar that I can use. And it says Cutie Blossom, and it's got a little pink bunny, and then it's just like, I like that you can just fill in the date, so you can use this for however long you want, because I don't really use a diary and I'm not that busy, but there are times randomly where I am really busy, and I just like to have this for like those types of times, so I don't have to use it all the time, but I can just use it when I need it, so it'll last me so much longer. I probably could use it until like next year as well. And then on the back there's like a spot that you can take notes, and it's just so cute, and like the 3 little characters at the top with their cute little fat cheeks. Absolutely adorable. So yeah, I had to pick this one up too. I thought it was so cute. I did also get like these pill cart like case things. I'm not too sure what these are called, like pill holders. I literally just have like this vitamin thing that I bought in Japan the last time I was there. I don't even remember what it was for, but I bought them, and then I just have my iron supplement in these ones. And it came with a 2-pack, so it's like a light pink and a dark pink, but I just thought they were really cute. I don't really carry supplements around with me, but maybe I'll start because this is so adorable. I also picked up some like really cute stickers. There are so many adorable stickers. So these are all the ones that I bought in Korea. I actually think I bought more in Korea than I did in Japan, but I did go to Korea first. So they're so adorable. I think I actually got some of these. I may or may not have gotten some of these at Artbox, I don't remember, but I feel like most of these look like Daiso stickers. So adorable, I love stickers. They also had like the cutest washi tape, so I bought like these 2 massive packs of like washi tapes just because they're just so cute. So this one is like a teddy bear themed one, and it was just like so cute and summery, and I just like thought it was so adorable. And then this one's like a really cute bunny one. I think these were the only 2 that they had, and I just really liked both of them. I couldn't decide, so I ended up picking them both up. And I like that it has this really big one, because sometimes I feel like with presents you can just like stick this on the present and it's perfect, and you can just write their name and it's cute as well. So I had to pick those 2 up. I also brought some cute A peach tape as well because my sister really likes A peach, and I just thought it was cute. It's like her face. Super adorable. I love washi tape. I did also buy like these little album kind of books from Daiso. I don't really know what they're called. I think people like put photo cards and stuff like that in them, but I just thought it'd be so cute for like Polaroids, because one of my friends really likes taking Polaroids, and I like always just have them in random areas, but I thought it'd be so cute just to have them in a little photo album. I actually also bought this for me and my future boyfriend, so like hopefully I get a boyfriend soon and I can make a cute little sweet memories book with him, because it even has a heart at the front, so you can like put a picture of you and your boyfriend, and then sweet memories, and then like a little area for a keyring, which I just thought was super cute. So I had to pick this one up. And then I got this one for like friends, and it's just like a really cute clear glittery one. I like that you can kind of put like any picture at the front and then you can see it. I haven't picked one yet. I always thought it was cute that maybe you could like add stickers. I added some of the Polaroids of like me and my friends already that I had around the house, so that's super cute. Love, and it fits it perfectly. So love these little books, so adorable. I also picked up this pouch. I actually wish I brought more, but I literally love this pouch. It's the Esther bunny one, and it's just like 2 of the little cute bunnies. They had like a big one, and my friend got a big one, and I really liked how it looked. I wish I got it as well, but I just like love having these little pouches, and it just has everything that like all my beauty kind of essentials that I need, and I just shove this in like every single bag that I'm using, and I literally love it. It's just so convenient. Oh yeah, I also brought this from Artbox. I forgot. I brought a little mouth spray just because I thought the packaging was really cute. I've been in like a purple phase, if you haven't been able to tell, but it's like a little mouth spray, and this one's grape flavored. I haven't even tried this yet. Oh, it doesn't taste like grape. It tastes minty. But yeah, super cute, and this is where I carry like all my essentials. I love these types of pouches. I just think they come so in handy. So next I have a few items that I picked up from the Butter store, and I absolutely love these 2 items so much. I bought some gorgeous ceramic plates. I could not pass this up, and I think they were on sale when I got there, and they're so heavy, but like they were just way too cute. I really like this type of design. They're just this gorgeous little pink plate, and it says Scrabbit is made with fresh strawberries, cream cheese. How freaking cute. And it's just like, I just love the color combo. It's like pink and red, and it's like the perfect pink and red. Absolutely adorable. So I picked this up, and I also got this really cute incense holder. I've been wanting an incense holder for like the longest time, and they're just never like, I just feel like they're never that cute, or they're just a bit too simple and I don't really like them. But I just thought this one was perfect because it's like a little simple white dish, and then you can put 1 incense in there, and it's like a cute little Scrabbit face with heart cheeks. Absolutely adorable. I love. Literally so cute. Those were the only 2 things that I picked up from the Butter store, but I just think they were so adorable. I did also pick up this adorable A peach plushie from the it's not Line Friends, Cacao Friends store. So cute. She's a little ice cream, and then the ice cream has like hearts on it. I just loved the detail, and just holding a little cherry. She just looks so cute, and my sister really likes A peach, so I actually got this one for her. So cute. And I also bought this like random Pocacho pouch from I think Hongdae Market, and it has his little face on one side and then his like duck friend's face on the other side. So cute. Double 2 compartments. literally so cute. This is another really random cute earring that I just picked up from one of the markets. It was at one of the train stations. I don't remember which one. It was a random train station that I was like crossing over to get to the Dongdaemun station. But like, she's just so adorable. She's this little bunny and she's wearing glasses and she has a little carrot pouch bag, and I just love the colors. And I was looking for a plushie to put on the bag that I was wearing, and I just thought this one matched the colors perfectly. And I think that day I was wearing glasses and I was like, oh my god, it kind of just like looks like me. So I just thought it was so adorable. I had to pick her up. Like, the colors are just perfect and she's screaming. So cute. But yeah, I picked this one up on the way to Dongdaemun Market, and then when I got to Dongdaemun Market, oh my gosh, it was so overwhelming, but everything is so cute. I picked up these two super cute earrings. I actually got this for my mum and dad because I thought it was like so adorable, and they play golf, so I was like, oh, it's like such a cute earring to put on their golf bag. But like a little blue one for my dad, and it has a little heart sweater. I just love the blush on the cheeks. I just think it's so cute. And then I bought this little one for my mum. She's wearing a red sweater with a cute embroidered heart, and then the like clover necklace is so cute. They have like earrings and then little outfits, and you can dress up the earrings however you like, but these two were like on display and I just liked the outfit, so I just copied the outfit that was on display because it was just too cute. And even like the cute little berets, so adorable. So I picked those two up, and I did also pick up like a whole bunch of charms from the Dongdaemun Market. I also did get like these little like I don't know if it's polymer clay, but it's like that air dry thing that like you can do cream kind of designs, and people use them to make phone cases. So I brought some to make like cute phone cases with, but I'm not too sure because I don't know if I brought enough charms to make phone cases with. So I was like, maybe I'll just use them to like decorate certain things. Like, I'll see if I do anything cute, like maybe I'll film a video for you guys. But I brought a whole bunch of charms, and I'm literally in love with all the charms that I got. I got some for me and my siblings because I wanted to make like little crop gibbets or design phone cases. So I just brought like a whole range. I'll insert a clip for you guys of all the different charms that I brought because there's just like so many random ones in here. And there's also like random crop gibbets that I picked up at one of the markets in here as well that I'll insert a little clip for you guys too. I think I only brought like 2 packs of crop gibbets, and they were like bunny and cherry blossom themed, but super cute. Literally love. Dongdaemun Market was actually so much fun. It's really overwhelming because like everything looks the same, and I actually lost my wallet there, which was really sad because it was the last day we were in Korea and I lost my wallet, and I couldn't even get it back the next day because we were heading to Japan. But so cute. A little bit overwhelming, but definitely like some of the cutest things I found, and I actually had a lot of fun just like rummaging through all the cute little charms. We did also go to the Pop Mart store in Hongdae, and I got a mystery box of this little guy. I don't know what the name is, but I just thought it was really cute, and I'd never seen him before, so we thought he was like a Korea exclusive, so we decided to pick him up. And I got the Enchanter, which is cute because I'm a low-key a magic girl. Oh, he dropped his little wand. He's a little magic boy and I'm a little magic girly, you know. So I just thought that was so cute. I was really happy with the one that I got, and he has like the detail in some of the Pop Mart designs are just so cute. And my best friend also decided to do like that little jar thing where you get a jar and you can put all the charms in, and she gave me some of the charms that she got, which I'm so like, she's the sweetest. But they're so cute because we think that this was like a Korea exclusive, and it was cherry blossom themed, and we'd never seen this before, so she really wanted to get it, and she gave me some of the charms that she got, and they're just like literally so cute. How adorable are these? This is the guy. So this is the like cherry blossom themed of this guy. So cute. And then of course, I don't know these characters' names, I'm so sorry, but they're just so cute. I literally, they're like such good quality, and there were so many cute ones. Obsessed. Literally so freaking cute. Oh, I also bought this cute little pen that I got at the China airport because we had a layover, and it's just like a cute little cat holding a cherry blossom. So it was adorable, so I also picked this up. But yeah, those are kind of all the items that I got in Korea. We didn't get that many cute things, but that's because I bought a lot more cute things in Japan, and then I bought a lot more clothes in Korea. But I hope you guys still enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!